Hey everyone, welcome back to All About AI Tech. Today, we're diving deep into the world of AI algorithms and how they're transforming different industries. Let's start with finance. BBVA, one of the largest banks in the world, uses AI to personalize banking advice and help their customers save money. They analyze your transactions, categorize your spending, and provide targeted suggestions like reduce your spending on restaurants by 10% instead of generic advice. This personalized approach leads to better financial health. Studies show that BBVA customers who use these AI-powered tools save an average of 11% in Spain and 20% in Mexico. That's pretty impressive, right? Now, let's talk about sustainability. AI algorithms can be resource-intensive, consuming a lot of energy, but there's a growing movement towards making AI more sustainable. Researchers are developing algorithms that are more energy efficient, optimizing hardware to reduce energy consumption, and training AI on renewable energy sources like solar and wind power. Imagine an AI that helps manage energy grids, optimizing energy distribution and minimizing waste. That's the future of sustainable AI. Manufacturing is another industry being revolutionized by AI. Robots powered by AI are taking over repetitive tasks, increasing production efficiency and minimizing errors. AI-powered quality control systems can spot defects invisible to the human eye, ensuring high-quality products. Imagine a factory where AI manages every stage of production, from ordering raw materials to shipping finished products. That's the potential of AI in manufacturing. AI is even making waves in the art world. Researchers are developing algorithms that can blend traditional and modern art styles, creating unique pieces. They use fuzzy logic, a type of AI that can handle uncertainty and ambiguity, to analyze textures, brushstrokes, and other artistic elements. Imagine an AI that can create a fusion of a traditional Chinese painting with a modern abstract piece, preserving the essence of both styles. That's the kind of creative potential AI unlocks. The power of AI is also being used to improve the way we train deep learning models. Researchers are using a novel approach called probabilistic computing, based on probabilistic bits, to train these complex models more efficiently. Imagine training a deep neural network with millions of parameters using a fraction of the computational resources. That's the promise of probabilistic computing. AI is also changing the game in the creative industry. Tools powered by AI can now help you compose music, write compelling stories, and create stunning visuals. Imagine composing a symphony with the help of an AI that understands your musical preferences, or writing a novel with an AI that provides creative suggestions and helps you overcome writer's block. That's just the beginning of AI's impact on the creative landscape. AI is playing a crucial role in shaping the future of our cities. Smart cities are using AI to manage traffic flow, optimize energy consumption, and improve public safety. Imagine a city where AI helps reduce congestion, minimize pollution, and ensure a smooth and efficient flow of life for its citizens. That's the vision of AI-powered smart cities. AI is also transforming healthcare. Algorithms are being used to analyze medical images, aiding doctors in diagnosing diseases earlier and more accurately. Imagine an AI-powered system that can detect cancer in its earliest stages, potentially saving countless lives. That's the life-saving potential of AI in healthcare. Even museums are embracing AI. They're using AI to create interactive exhibits, personalize visitor experiences, and even generate virtual tours. Imagine a museum where you can have an AI-powered guide that answers your questions, tailors the tour to your interests, and provides a deeper understanding of the artifacts. That's the future of museums. AI is also having a significant impact on the military. AI-powered drones can conduct surveillance, provide real-time intelligence, and even make autonomous decisions in combat situations. While this application raises ethical concerns, its impact on warfare is undeniable. That wraps up our exploration of AI algorithms in different industries. As you can see, AI is having a profound impact on our world, and its potential is limitless. I'm constantly working to improve the quality of content on this channel. I want to build a community where we can discuss AI, share knowledge, and explore the future together. So please, subscribe, like this video, and leave your comments below. Let me know what topics you'd like to see covered in future videos. Your feedback is valuable. Thanks for watching.